I am serving looks right now, okay? Okay.
Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. Me and my girls stepping out in the all black. Louboutin on my feet, don't know how to act. Pulling up to the scene with a top back. Money ain't even a thing, cause we got that. No drama, no drama. Leave it at home for your crazy baby mama.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little minute. We haven't posted in like a week, but we back nonetheless. And today's video is gonna be a little Valentine's Day look. If you need a little pink eyeshadow look to wear on the 14th, then this is the video for you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the other day I went to Ulta and I bought a few new eyeshadow palettes, and the one we're gonna use today is the Sweet Pinks by Juvia's Place. And these shadows are pretty as F. As soon as I saw it, I was like, yeah, I gotta get this. So we're gonna be using this. Okay, y'all, so I did my eyebrows off camera, and yes, my eyebrows are sisters. They are not twins, because one is just naturally different than the other. So now I'm gonna prime my eyelids with some concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I need to give me some eyeshadow primer. Make me feel official. The eyelids primed with some concealer. So like I was talking about the Juvia Sweet Pink palette, we're gonna start off with this pink in the crease. So I'm gonna take this Morphe brush right here and go ahead and dip into that. I hope this come out cute. If not, I'm gonna be salty. Okay, so we got that, and then next we're gonna use this color and pack it into the crease. So let me find another brush. I'm gonna use this one. Whoa, that color was fire. Hold on. That's a cute color. If y'all not convinced already, then I don't know what to tell you. Use the same brush we used before and use this color to like blend out the edges. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That was cute. What y'all think so far? Okay, then we're gonna, what we gonna do? We're gonna take this color and put it towards the inner corner right here, and then also move it up in here, and then take this one to fill out the lid. Y'all see the inner eye popping? It's popping. Let me spray some setting spray on my brush. That's probably gonna make it pop even more. Take that other pink shimmery color I told y'all about and put it on the rest of the lid. Can y'all see it? Like, it's there. Like, I don't know if the camera is doing it any justice. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I have it. I'm gonna have to insert some videos with pictures at the end because the camera is not doing this no justice. Because baby, this is it. This is it. This palette is it. And I'm gonna take this same color and put it on my bottom lash line. After I find a brush that will do just that. I am serving looks right now, okay? Okay. I think the only color I did not use is this one. And I'm gonna just put it right under my eyebrows. Hopefully that it look like something. Boom, I think we done with the eyes. I think we done with the eyes, yeah. Do I want to add a wing liner is the question. What y'all think? Comment down below if y'all think I should add a wing liner. I think I'm gonna do it off camera though so I can concentrate. Okay y'all, so I did my liner off camera. Now it's time to just speed through everything else because it's the same old, same old. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I was yours. I ain't flexing like these bitches do. You could see it in my pictures, bitches, nothing new. I ain't talking about my revenue.
sweet every second that I get to do exactly what I dreamed of when I was a little kid. It's a dream never thought I
Okay, y'all, so we almost done. Gotta put on a lip. I wish I had some pink lipstick, but I really don't. But we finna try some things out.
Tryna live life every day, say I wanna leave it. Can't name my price, but I'm riding in a Beamer. Yeah, ain't no two-seater. More room to kick my feet up. Feeling like a boss ass bitch these days. Life is more than just getting paid. Yeah, you could bet your shit. Hope and wish and lose it all so quick these days. Yeah, this the gift mama gave me. Yeah, this the way daddy raised me. And when I get stressed, I just remember I'm blessed. Ain't no complaining, I ain't changing. I ain't really got no blame. I don't wear no chain. You know you see me around town. Let me do my thing. I don't really pop no tags. Really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it, I got it, I got it. That's what you got it, I got it. Yes, I do. Heavy upon me. I'm lonely without my Louis.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I definitely need some new foundation because why is my face different than my chest? I have no clue, but this is the final look. I'm gonna insert videos and pictures at the end, but oh, I really need some new foundation. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. And peace. Get out of here.